This is all just a game, isn't it? A big, twisted, fucked up game.
I think I understand. Am I here because of the things I've done? The bad things? Am I stuck here until I see the error of my ways? Until I repent? But you're gonna have to wait a long time, because I don't regret a damn thing! Kill me! Kill me right here! Right now! I'm not afraid to die!